Hello students, in this video we can understand a simple problem in max complex number. So let's go into the question directly. If z1 is equal to 3, z2 is equal to minus 7i and z3 is equal to 5 plus 4i, we have to show that z1 plus z2 the whole into z3 is equal to z1 into z3 plus z2 into z3. So what is given here? Z1, Z2 and Z3 the values are given. So now we have to prove the LHS is equal to RHS. So what is LHS here? Z1 plus Z2 into Z3. So now we will substitute the value for it and find the value of it. So in the place of Z1 we have to substitute 3 and in the place of Z2 we have to substitute minus 7i. And in the place of Z3, we have to substitute the value that is 5 plus 4i. So now the values are substituted. So that is 3 minus 7i into 5 plus 4i. So now we have to multiply 3 into 5 plus 4i, then minus 7 into 5 plus 4i. So first 3 into 5. So 3 into 5 is 15. Next we have to multiply 3 into 4i. So that is plus 12i. Next, so now we have multiplied with 3. Next we have to multiply with 7i into 5 plus 4i. So 7i into 5 is minus 35i. Then the next one is minus 7i into 4i. So that is minus 28i into I is I square. So now the values are multiplied and now we have to write the each value. So here 15 is constant, so it is written as it is. Next 12i minus 35i. So both have the same value I. So now we will minus and we will put the sign of greater symbol. So that is minus 23i. Then the next one is minus 28i square. So we know that value of I square is minus 1. So if you substitute minus 1 in 28, minus into minus, it will change into plus. So that is plus 28. So now the value of LHS is 15 minus 23i plus 28. So now we have found the value for LHS. Next step we have to find the value for RHS and we have to prove whether the values are same and LHS is equal to RHS. So next, now first we will write the value for RHS. So the RHS given here is Z1, Z3 plus Z2 into Z3. So as the previous, now we will substitute the value one by one. So the value of Z1 is 3. So it is written as equal to 3. Z3 is 5 plus 4i. So it is written inside the bracket since two values are there. So into 5 plus 4i. Then again addition, then the next one is minus 7i. So it is written as plus into minus 7i. Then the value of Z3 is 5 plus 4i. So it is written inside the bracket. So now we will multiply 3 into 5 and 3 into 4i. So 3 into 5 is 15. 3 into 4i is 12i. So it is written as 15 plus 12i. Then the next one is we have to multiply 7i into 5 plus 4i. So minus 7i into 5 is minus 35i. Then the next one minus 7i into 4i is, it is written as minus 28i square. Since I into I is, we will multiply, it will become I square. So as the similar one, first we will write the value for constant. So here the constant value is 15, it is written as it is. Then the value of I is 12 and minus 35. Since it has same value, now we will minus and we will put the sign of greater symbol, that is minus, and after minusing we get 23. Then the last one, that is minus 28i square. We know that value of I square is minus 1. So in case of I square, if you substitute minus 1, it will become plus 28. So 15 plus 28 is 43. So it is written as 43 minus 21i. So we know that LHS value is same as RHS value. So thus we can write Z1 plus Z2 into Z3 is equal to Z1 into Z3 plus Z2 into Z3. Hope you understood. Thank you.